Hello, we're Green Frog Developments. We guess you're here because you're looking for a builder, plumber, contractor, heating engineer. Well, you've come to the right place. We're the one-stop shop for all things renovation and maintenance. From fixing boilers to home extensions, we give you the expertise you need and the value for money quality you deserve. But here at Green Frog, we like to think we're that little bit different. Just some of the things we offer. A schedule of works so you know what's happening and when. Weekly meetings to keep you updated on progress. And we only leave when you're 100% happy. But don't just take our word for it. Check out what our customers have to say and see our work for yourself. For more information, a quote, or just a general chat, get in touch. Green Frog Developments, bringing your property on leaps and bounds.